Welcome to this video on how to use Codex to simplify your daily work. This module is designed for office teams, researchers, and anyone looking to improve their productivity by turning ideas into structured, finished outputs faster and more clearly. So what exactly is Codex? It is a practical AI agent for digital work. Think of it as a dedicated task partner that helps with documents, spreadsheets, and routine tasks. Always remember the best rule. Use it to move work forward quickly, but rely on your own judgment to review the final output. Why is Codex useful? It significantly reduces time spent on repetitive tasks. From creating templates and structuring reports to improving your writing quality and turning messy notes into actionable checklists, Codex helps you get more done without starting from zero. In your daily work, you can use Codex for a variety of tasks. It can draft emails and memos, review meeting minutes, analyze simple spreadsheet data for chart suggestions, and even help prepare content for your upcoming presentations. To get the most out of Codex, you need to write a good prompt. Follow the formula: role, task, context, output format, language style, and length. If the initial result isn't perfect, just ask Codex to revise it. For emails and documents, try prompts that ask for specific tone adjustments or concise summaries. Whether you are rewriting an email to be more professional or asking for feedback on a document, keeping your prompts clear and structured is key. When dealing with data, tables, and reports, use Codex to organize your information. You can ask it to identify key findings, convert raw data into structured tables, or suggest the most effective way to visualize your information. Codex can also help you build interactive digital materials like quizzes or simple dashboards. Whether it is creating monitoring tools or drafting complaint forms, it is an efficient way to turn learning ideas into functional digital outputs. Remember these best practices. Be specific, include context, and always review the final output. Never insert confidential information unless you have explicit permission from your organization. Strength in your instructions leads to strength in your results. To conclude, start small. Choose one routine task, write a specific prompt, and save it as a template for future use. Build your AI workflow gradually, one improvement at a time, to make Codex your most powerful daily assistant.